Hello everyone! This is Teacher Jen, JNV. Magpapatuloy po tayo sa araw na ito sa ating English grammar na aralin. Ba ang aralin na sentence pattern in your English grammar lesson? Tulad ng SV, STVDO, SLVC, STVIODO, at ang SVOC or pwede din STVOC. Well, I will help you identify those sentence patterns. But today, we will be focusing more on the SV pattern. According to Soriano and Rostia, order is very important in English, and that sentence patterns are like the framework of a house. So today, let's start mastering one of those sentence patterns. We will only focus on one, and on my next video, I'll be teaching you the other sentence pattern. Let's have this step-by-step learning on the sentence patterns in our English grammar. Let's have the SV pattern. S stands for the subject.
And again, a subject shows what and whom the sentence is talking about. Ito yung sinasabi natin na siya ang pinag-uusapan or bida sa loob ng pangungusap. Ang subject din, siya yung gumagawa sa galaw na nangyayari sa loob ng pangungusap.
And V stands for the verb or the predicate.
A verb is an action word showing physical or mental action. It can also show a state of being. Ito yung ating sinasabi na galaw na nangyayari sa loob ng pangungusap. And in Filipino, tinatawag natin ito na pandiwa.
And in our SP pattern, we also have the HV. And HV stands for the helping verb. Let's have this example. The child cries. Who cries? The child. So in this sentence, the word child is our subject and cries is our verb. So that's why the sentence pattern here is SV. In our SV pattern, we also sometimes use helping verbs. So let's have this example.
The child is crying. Who is crying? The child. Here, the word child is our subject, and our verb is crying. The word is here is the helping verb to our main verb, crying. At kahit meron tayong helping verb sa ating pangungusap, still, the sentence pattern here is SV, Subject Verb Sentence Pattern.
Another example. Does the child cry? So now it is in the form of a question. And still in the SV pattern. Subject here, child. But somehow we still have here the helping verb. And our helping verb is does. And the main verb is cry. Does cry is our verb. Verb phrase means the helping verb and the main verb. Kung napapansin nyo dito sa ating tanong, does the child cry? Yung ating subject ay napapagitnaan ng ating verb phrase. The does is on the first part of the sentence. Does is the helping verb. And then cry is the main verb. Nasa gitna yung ating subject. Thus, the verb phrase on this sentence is does cry. I'll give you more example on sentences in SV pattern.
She dances. Who dances? She. She is the subject. Dances is our verb here. She is dancing. Again, she is the subject. Is dancing is our verb with the helping verb is. Is she dancing? Our subject here, she, comes between our verb phrase is dancing. And all these sentences are in the SV pattern. Subject, verb, sentence pattern.
Alam niyo ba that the SV pattern could be expanded by adding word modifiers, phrase modifiers, or clause modifiers to the subject or to the verb. Paano ba natin malalaman na ito ay word modifier or saan ba natin usually nakikita ang word modifier or ang phrase or clause modifier? Listen carefully to this. Word modifiers are generally added before nouns, while phrase or clause modifiers are generally added after nouns. Let's have this example.
Word modifiers before subject. The new heart-shaped balloon pops. Here, our subject, balloon, and our verb, pops. New heart-shaped are the word modifiers to our subject, balloon. Now let's have a phrase modifier added to subject. The balloon in the hall pops. Our subject, balloon, and our verb, pops. In the hall is a phrase that modifies our subject, balloon. Word modifier added to verb. The balloon pops instantly. Our subject, balloon, pops is our verb. Instantly is a word that modifies pops. and also answers the question how the balloon pops. This time, let's have a phrase modifier added to verb. The balloon pops so loud. Our subject here, balloon, pops is our verb. So loud is a phrase that modifies our verb pops.
This time, let's have this activity. Identify the subject, verb, or the helping verb in our SV pattern sentences.
The dog barked with much noise. Our subject, dog, barked is a verb. With much noise is a phrase that modifies our verb barked and answers the question how the dog barked with much noise. The broken glasses are thrown. What are being thrown? The broken glasses. Therefore, glasses here is our subject. Are thrown is our verb. Are is the helping verb. Thrown is the main verb. The word broken is a word that modifies our subject, glasses. And for the next two sentences, it's your turn to answer them. It will bloom tomorrow. The dancers of the team perform well. Identify the subject, the verb, and the helping verb on these sentences.
This is Teacher Jen JNV and hope to see you again on my next video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. See you then. Thank you and God bless.